Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book cab in Ola. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Ola app. So open up the app, and then if you have not registered an account, so you can do that using your phone number. So it's pretty easy. You just need your phone number and your name and details. That's it. So once you have registered your phone number, so you'll see this screen here. So what you're going to simply do is simply select your pickup point, so wherever your pickup location. So you can either use your map to auto allocate your current location, or you can type in the pickup address here. So whatever address you can just type that in, and then once that's done here, okay, so you can either type it or use your current location, either way. And then now hit on the search destination here, and then type in the destination address where you want to go. So just type that in, and then once you've typed that in, then this will generate the available cab options for you. So for example, here you will see the different types of vehicles and the cab options you have. So simply select the one that best suits you. So for example, this one here, so I'll just select that, and then I'll hit on done. And then what I'm going to do, so all I have to do now is click on book, and then it's going to do is it's going to ask you for your payment method. So how do you want to make this payment? So for example, if it's cash, you can use cash, or if you're using any other digital payment methods, you can just select that, up to you, or just make it as cash, and then hit on confirm. So now what this is going to do is, now when you hit on book, it's going to search for a driver or a car. So all you have to do is you just have to wait for it to search for the cab, and then when someone picks up, so when a car picks up, and then you'll be able to see the details of the car, and then that's it. You just have to wait for the cab, and then you can just continue you can start your journey. So and once at the end of the journey, you can just make your payment to the driver. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.